Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Saleshandy. Now Saleshandy is a sales engagement platform designed to streamline email outreach and track prospect interaction. It claims to send cold emails, book meetings every day. It helps to connect unlimited email accounts at no extra cost. The AI assistant code outreach platform generates more leads, book more meetings, and grow your businesses. All you have to do is enter your work email, and you can enjoy a 7-day free trial, no credit card required, SOC 2 certified. So you can sign up with Google or sign up with Microsoft if you do not want to use your work email. So let's get started in today's review. Now the first thing we're going to look at are the pros. So it has user-friendly interface, email tracking automation, unified inbox, lead finder, which includes a B2B lead database to help identify potential prospects. It also has affordable pricing. It is often cited as a cost-effective option, especially for small teams and agencies. Now, when it comes to the cons, it has email delivery issues, yes, because your emails can sometimes land in spam folders. Then it has limited CRM integration, buggy software. The customer support is not really satisfying or helpful. And lastly, limited advanced features. It is good for core email outreach, but it lacks some of the more advanced features found in higher-end sales engagement platforms. But despite these areas that needs to improve on, Saleshandy provides a solid foundation for automating and scaling email outreach, proving to be a valuable tool for many sales teams looking to enhance their productivity and track engagement effectively. Hope you found this video helpful.